Welcome to my channel. Tutorial. Helpful. And pasti free access.
Hello guys, good morning. Thank you for joining my class. Today we will learn how to use quick selection tool in toolbox menu. So prepare yourself and open your Adobe Photoshop now. Okay, before starting we need to prepare the image to be used. As an example, I'm here using a picture of a rose. So go to menu bar, then choose open. So search your image like this. I'm search my image in folder kerja. Then click open. Now on the canvas there is an orchid flower image. Make your Photoshop like this. Yes. So we can edit. Now just see on your toolbox menu, then choose quick selection tool. You can activate it using one left click or click W button in your keyboard like this. Now go to the option tool, then choose a brush size like I'm setting on 30 pixel. In the tool option menu, we set the brush plus brush for selection object. Example, I'm using it, then selection my object in my Adobe Photoshop. But if you want to unselection object, you can use min brush. In this moment, you need to select the flower object first using plus brush. Example, you can see if I selection my object. If the object has been selected, we will reorganize it using a combination plus brush and min brush. You can go to option tool, then set your brush. Example, I'm set my brush to min, so I can unselection my object. For this time, make your object selection neat. If it's enough, go to menu filters, then choose lens blur. Don't forget to checklist invert box so that the object that has been selected will not be exposed to the lens blur filter. You can see it on my Adobe Photoshop now. Then you can try on your Adobe Photoshop. And in the last step, you can remove your selection using Ctrl plus D on your keyboard. Then finish. Thank you everyone for joining the class. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for the support. Bye bye.